All of our faculty is so supportive. They are here for us. They really will go above and beyond to accommodate us and just get to know us.
Faculty are available for students all the time to make sure that they are learning the material. And then each student gets a faculty advisor when they come in, and that's their person that they can connect with all the way throughout the duration of the program.
I enjoy having the professors at USAHS as the mentors who I look up to. They're very knowledgeable and we get to pick their brain.
And they get feedback from those speech pathologists, and it's really a great experience for them to become successful speech-language pathologists in the future.
They have a lot of support for us, and there's a whole bunch of different faculty members that are rooting for us, which I think is awesome.
And it's a safe learning environment, which that's what I really like about it here.
We all want the same goal, to make sure that we're training students that are well academically and clinically trained.